quartz countertops, a nice spa retreat off the main bedroom. These are the types of home improvement projects that can be really exciting to think about and plan for. It's easy to get caught up in imagining all of the different possibilities. But the smartest home remodels pay you back not only in lifestyle improvement, they also pay you back in resale value. So let's get into it. Why should we be thinking about this? First of all, comparing the cost of improvements to the value they add is just a smart thing to do. When you do this, it'll help you make sound financial decisions. Plus, if you're thinking of selling, ROI improvements will help you attract buyers. A kitchen with new windows that don't let in a draft and are energy efficient might be a better choice than a kitchen with a sparkling new backsplash. Now, that doesn't mean we're leaving out joy. Home renovation should make you feel good. With the right mix of upgrades, you can boost your home's value and fall in love with your space all over again. So what are some of the top remodeling projects? Well, interestingly enough, when it comes to cost versus value, the top ones all have to do with curb appeal, replacing your front door, redoing the roof, getting new siding. I know, not necessarily the most exciting thing to think about unless you just happen to really love roof shingles, but exterior upgrades will not only attract buyers, they'll make the neighbors happy and give you that sense of pride when you pull into the driveway. Now, of course, not every project delivers a high return at resale, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't still consider them, and they bring plenty of value in other ways. Lower utility bills with energy savings, improved lifestyle because of the better use of space, and joy, because everybody deserves to be happy. It's all about finding the right balance, so adding on a room or redoing the primary suite, those projects are not off the table. The best remodeling projects not only improve your space, they also work hard for your investment. If you can balance high ROI upgrades with real-life benefits, you're golden. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Great Day Improvements for more tips just like these. Happy renovating!